This is my drawing of Captain Pikachu, and it only took me a few minutes to draw it. Today I'll be showing you step by step, every line, every curve, and every shape, how to draw this perfectly on your own. And I'm going to show you the difference between this and what my drawings used to look like. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw two straight angled lines across the top of the eyelid. Let's start on the left side, angle this up and then out. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Now I want to tuck two circles in underneath. So on the left side, we're going to step in, draw a circle going around, and then tuck that up underneath. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Draw that same size circle going all the way around. Now along the top of each eye, draw a small circle for highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom areas of the eyes in black. Now we're going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, draw a small oval, fill that in black for the nose. We'll move down in the middle, start with a point, and we'll draw the mouth, starting with the left side, coming down, and bend that up toward the left, go back to the center, and do the same thing up towards the right. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw a straight line, going across the bottom edge of the hat brim. Let's round up the ends, go out, and then up. Now I want to add a trim halfway along this line. So we're going to start by going up, across, and then down. And we just want to trace that along the top. Let's add that emblem in the center, starting right in the middle with a straight angled line going up and out towards the left, the right side. Go straight up towards the top. And then we'll angle this back up and then in towards the middle. Now I'm going to go back to the side and tuck the hat brim in behind. So back on the left side, going up and then in. Now I'm going to simplify that symbol in the center. We're going to leave a gap in the middle, draw two angled lines coming in towards the bottom. Go up to the top, angle this up and then out. Come down and in. Just going to angle this back in, down, and then flatten off the bottom. Now in this area on the outside, I'm just going to split this going halfway. Now we want to draw the top of the hat. From this point, step down, then this out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right side. Just round up the end, going up and then in toward the middle. Now you want to round out the top center of the hat, go across and then down towards the right side. Let's go to the side of the hat brim. We're going to draw the ear going out, and we'll bend that up towards the tip. Line this up on the right, going out and then up. Let's bend the ear coming back in and then down on top of the hat. Let's separate the tip of the ear, starting from the top, then it's down and then in towards the bottom. Now along the side, we're going to tuck the head in underneath the ears. On the left side, we're going to step out, then it's out, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to round up the cheek, come down, and just bend that in. Let's add the cheeks along the side, starting on the left, going up, come around, and then down toward the bottom. Now we're going to go back and fill the tips of the ears in black. Now with the head complete, let's move down and cross the arms in the center of the body. So we're going to start underneath the cheek on the left, bend this out, come around the elbow. Now I'm just going to pull this up towards the middle, go around the right side toward the elbow, come around and tuck that up underneath the right cheek. Now I'm going to overlap the right arm on top of the left. So I'm going to continue this curve from the center, going out and then up. Then the top of the forearm going up and then down towards the right. Let's add a small fold on the left side from this point, going up and then out. And I want to draw the fingers over on the right. I'm just going to add 3 little points, then the top of the hand going up and then down. Now underneath the arms, we're going to draw the side of the body. Let's start on the left. Come down with an angled line, round out the leg, and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going down, round out the leg, and then bend that in towards the same height. Now I want to leave a gap and add a curve. On the left, going up and then down. Let's tuck the feet in underneath the legs. On the left, we're going to step out, bend this out, and then down towards the tip of the foot. Round up the foot, come in, and then up underneath the body. And then we're going to separate the toes with 2 curves on either side. Now with the body complete, let's add the tail coming out from the left side. So we're going to start from the left side of the head. We're going to bend the tail going up, and then out, come down and in with a straight angled line. Now I'm going to work our way across the inside of the tail, coming in to right about there. We're going to add a step, coming down, coming in, go out. I'm just going to pull this back in and add a trim along the bottom. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a drawing of Captain Pikachu from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for drawing with me today. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next one.